Ogai mar bad migao mar doho Martha Koome omako chung' motegno ni bad migao no ok bibuok kata doko ni itemo ketnegi liet gi piny owacho. Koome ne osiemo jodito mag sirkal ewi kiro weche mag thiro chenro mag doho. Owacho ni weche ma jotend sirkal wacho kidek nyiso lai marach kendo nyalo kelo rochruok ne ratiro mar jopiny kod dwach chike mathurka.
It is regrettable that the leadership of the executive and also the legislature in the recent public declarations have threatened not to obey court orders because of corruption. These threats and declarations are extremely serious and a monumental assault to the Constitution. It is also an assault to the rule of law and the very stability of the nation, and can lead to chaos and anarchy in our motherland. The declaration that they will no longer obey court orders and the subsequent actual defiance of the orders granted by the courts are untenable and amount to contempt of courts. And if this course is allowed to continue unabated, we are on the precipice of a constitutional crisis that can lead to untold civil strife. The judiciary and the Judicial Service Commission cannot countenance this and will not be part of it. Our democracy is pegged on the strength of the checks and balances in our governance structure. The independence of the judiciary from a fused executive through parliamentary coalition is more important than ever before. We therefore urge Kenyans not to lose sight of our history, very painful history, and what lies ahead. It is not lost to the Commission that the robes that we wear as judges and judicial officers magnify the conduct. We are supposed to stand out, meaning judges and judicial officers must be held to the higher ethical standards if they are to keep the trust and confidence of the people that we serve.